Picking the right studio can really boost the quality and impact of your video. Here are 2 quick ways to help you find the best studio. First, choose by use case. If you're making a video for a conference or product launch, click the studio button at the top, then use the filters to select an auditorium studio. These are bold and impressive, perfect for that wow factor. Just a tip, 3:1 ratio visuals work best with auditorium layouts. For training sessions or lecture videos, go with stage studios. They offer a more intimate and focused feel. For knowledge sharing or explainer videos where you want a more immersive tone, choose outdoor or indoor scenes with both standing and seated options. These work great for direct-to-camera videos. Not sure what to choose? We've got a cheat sheet of recommended studios. Take a screenshot and save it for later. Second, choose by video content. If you're making a video for a tech company, use the filters to find tech-themed scenes. They'll help reinforce that modern, high-tech vibe. Need something with a festival, business, or cartoon aesthetic? We've got styles for those too. Just filter by what fits your topic. And if you're a content creator making a vlog, check out the portrait studios. These are perfect if your videos are often watched on smartphones. With these simple tips, you'll be able to find the perfect studio for your content in no time. Give it a go and see the difference.